Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Pet Treater. Now, if you're not familiar, Pet Treater is a monthly pet subscription. It's either for a cat or a dog, and you set a profile based on size of the animal. Now, there are 3 different options available for this. The $15 bag is you get 2 toys and 2 treats inside that. Now, the next level is $18, and you get you can choose either toys only or treats only, and you get 3 toys or treats. Now, I picked the one for toys only because my big dogs, they go through toys like nothing. They also have a box for $25, which is for multiple pets in your home. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me for March. When you open the bag, this is what it's going to look like inside. Now, one of the things that Pet Treater does is they have a pick of the litter program. So if you take a picture with your pet, or take a picture of your pet with some toys and the treats and things like that that they give you, then if they like the picture, then you will be pick of the litter. Today we have Punky and Bo, and that is what they look like. Very cute. See, they always include a bandana each month. You get a small one for small animals, and you get a bigger one for your larger animals. So that's a cute thing. Now, the first thing I am pulling out is my Furry Safari pet collection. This is by the Creative Pet Group, I believe. And each one of these has a little squeaker inside. So what is that, a hedgehog maybe? Yeah, that's a hedgehog. Can mop the floors with that. Cute! Oh, here is the bandana. We have a nice brown one with squirrels and mushrooms and things. Trees. Very nice. And then we have a rope toy. Now, I have received this before, but my guys don't like these, so I usually throw them over the fence for the neighbor's dog. This is by Paws and Pals. This is the Tugger rope. So you have a little handle here, and then that's probably for their mouth, and then we get to pull this way. And so that's a nice toy. Rope toys are expensive. And then we have the Forest Tales. Forest Tales. I'm trying to figure it out. Is it ladybugs? Yes, I think it is 3 ladybugs, one sitting on top of each other. There is a squeaker inside. Now, if you try and get these at your favorite pet store, all 3 of these things, a bandana, you're not going to be able to do it for $18 unless everything's on clearance. But I think it's worth it. I don't have to think about it. They just arrive. And each month, my guys get something different to play with. And on that note, I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.